Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marissa, and in today's video, honestly, today is a very exciting day because drum roll. Aren't they just gorgeous? So Colourpop sent me this stuff. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I want to give away, but I would love to be sponsored. Also, do you guys notice anything different to my video today? Yes, I did my own intro. I finally figured it out. It took me a while. My videos have been boring. There's like no intros or anything like that. And then I figured it out. I know it's lame, but I'm new to this, so don't judge me, okay? I'm just so proud of myself. I finally figured it out. So yeah, it won't be boring anymore, I guess. Anyway, so they recently came out with a whole entire collection. They are called the Wild Child. As soon as I saw the announcement on Instagram, I was just like, I need them. Luckily, they did a giveaway and I was one of their winners. So they sent me a whole entire collection. Thank you so much, Colourpop, for picking me. I am so obsessed with this collection because, like, I don't know, it's just so very like brown and warm. It's definitely like my vibe. I love it so much and I'm super excited. So yeah, let's jump into it. So this collection comes with an eyeshadow palette that is very irresistible monochromatic blend of warm browns, golds, and rusts, which is right up my alley. I love browns. I love a lot of browns, very warm tone. All right, for the eyeshadow palette, this is what the box looks like. It's super cute. I like the design of it. And at the back, it says, like, you know, it has like the name for the colors. And this is what the palette looks like. It's a plastic packaging. It has a giraffe print on it, which is super cute. And this is the back. There you go. I will insert like a little close-up of the palette itself, basically on everything. And they also come out with 2 pressed powder blushes. All right, let's talk about these blushes. Okay, so this is what they look like. One of them is Jet Set and then the other one is Trippin. So Jet Set is more like a light brown color, but when I do the swatch on my arm, when I put it on my cheek, so this is the blush that I'm using right now, they came out a little bit like more, I don't know, very apricot like, and then Trippin is just a darker color, like a darker version of it. And when I do the swatches, it just came out as more like a berry tone. To me, it looks like that. And they also come out with 3 Super Shock shadows, which is Run Wild, Basic Instinct, and Free Reign. 3 of these very beautiful shade. Run Wild has a little bit of like a purple speck of glitter in it, and then the Basic Instinct is just like more like a dark, almost like a copper shade, but like darker. And then Free Reign is basically just like dark brown with a little bit of gold in it. And last but not least, they came out with 3 lippie sticks, okay? And they're very creamy. They have a very creamy finish, not matte. I usually wear a lot of mattes, but then when I saw people doing their swatches and stuff, and then I tried it, and they're super gorgeous. So there's 3 of these, and the shades are Brat Pack, Sassy, and Oh Behave. So basically, they're all very nude. I don't know, I just get a fall vibe with the whole entire collection, but don't get me wrong, you can definitely wear this throughout the year. It doesn't matter the season because they're just like that gorgeous. So this is the look that I created with the whole collection. If you're interested on how to get this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my face, I put foundation, everything will be linked down below, and see the look. So this has 4 matte shades. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you can hear that. It's super loud here. everyone's just like out and about doing stuff. So okay, anyway, yeah, it has 4 mattes and then 3 shimmers and 2 like super glittery shade. Let's do some swatches. Let's do a matte color. And that one. Ooh, it's so very pigmented. Okay, let's do a 1 shimmer. Okay. And then the glitter shade. Oop, there you go. Oh, those are the swatches for the eyeshadow palettes. Let's get started before I stain my shirt. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here for the transition color. It's called Spotted. It has a really super like giant mirror. Oh, hi. And it's just very convenient if you're traveling. All right, so transition thing. I don't know why it's like so loud here today. Dang, it's so very pigmented. I like it. All right, next I'm gonna be taking this almost like a brick red shade right here. It's called Hard to Get, right there. And then I'm just gonna be putting that on my outer corner. Okay, so I'm just gonna be dragging it out a little bit. Oh, very pigmented. Yeah, this is almost like a, it's not a brick red, it's more like maroon. I don't know, it's looking very patchy. Let me use my finger. Let's try it with my finger. Where did that come from? Oh, there you go. It's showing up better. Oh no, I still have like a little bit of the glitter from earlier. Oh man. Very pigmented. You see that? So I'm just gonna be dragging it down. Okay. I'm feeling feisty. Okay. And now I'm gonna be taking this. Oh, hold on. Let me try one of the. I'm gonna be taking like one of these 3. I think I'm gonna go with Basic Instinct. Just like that. I'm gonna try taking it with my finger. And then, ooh, okay. I feel like you can create like a look with just like 3 of the Super Shock shadows. Well, oh my god, yeah, I can't stop putting this on my eyelid. I like it. I might take the other shade. Let's do this lighter shade. I think it's called Run Wild. It looks just like that. I'm gonna be packing it on the outer half, I mean the inner half, the inner third of the eye. Oh, it has like a lot of glitter. It's a lot more glittery. Oh man, okay. It is definitely a lot more glittery than the other one. I'm just gonna be dragging it all the way on my eyelid. Alright guys, I'm gonna be finishing the eyes and then we're gonna move on to the face and lips. Alright you guys, so I finished up the eye, put on some lashes. Now we're gonna move on to blush. So they got 2 blushes here. This is Trippin. And the other one is Jet Set. Which one? Let's try Jet Set. I'm gonna try Jet Set and then see if it shows up on my cheeks. They also come with a little mirror in there, so very convenient. I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. I like this one. Did you guys see that? Looks so good. I don't think it was gonna show on my skin, but I feel like it looks so much better in person. Yeah, more like an apricot shade. I'm gonna add a little bit of my nose. I like it. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna have to try the other one later. Just put on some contour a little bit. As usual, I'm gonna be using this one, the darker shade, for contour. The blush, it's gonna be good for summer. All right, now lips. I'm just gonna be taking the shade Brat Pack. All right. I'm not gonna be lining my lips, so I can show you guys how it looks on my lips. Oh, it smells like caramel. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. All right, so this has a very creamy texture. No, I thought it was gonna be matte, but no. Ooh, god, I can't stop smelling it. Man, it looks really juicy. Yes. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I really like, especially the blush, definitely my favorite. Overall, the products are good. As always, they killed it. The palette, I love it, except for the glitter shades. They're super messy, but I mean, it is glitter. They're supposed to be messy. I can't wait to play more with all of these. And the lippies, super gorgeous. They smell good too. Yeah, I'm really liking today's makeup. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about this whole collection. And I guess that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my future upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.